Yo, what up, homeboy? We got KP in the chat. Yeah, I'm ready to rock, boys. New setup. New little camera. What up? Sick. I mean, I'll just wait till they all get here. But little Mike boy. Little Mike boy? How we doing? I don't even know how low it's supposed to be. I guess we'll put it right there. Fuck it. Thank you, Mr. Huddleston. What we got coming on today? Still a lot of fucking levels through here, boys. A lot of just bullshit. A lot of just bullshit. Happy Monday. Everybody's starting to get online here, my boys. My boy. My boy. Clear that guy out. What else we got here? Little sticky notes. Clear that guy out. Oh, yeah. A little something. Some cheap ass shit on Amazon. It's hilarious.
Well, good morning, folks. Happy Monday. So, in the Shotgun Saturday, which I was a little late getting to, I apologize. The expectation was we were going to have a lower gap opening. Much, much lower than I anticipated. So, usually when we have these types of scenarios, you just got to sit on your hands in the morning session. But I'm going to try to give you some commentary throughout this morning. If I do anything, it probably won't be until 10 o'clock during the silver bullet aspect. But the levels I just gave you for NQ, those are the quadrants. And there's a sell side liquidity pool noted at the low. My interest in seeing how much of an interest does the price have to get back to that consequent encroachment or the red level in the gap. So commentary will be light until something is salient.
Well, boy. New setup, my boy. New setup, my boy. Ain't shit going on right now, I'll tell you that. We got a little bit of this. Little sell side liquidity here. We got a little. Oh, wrong one. Sell side liquidity here. 5 minute. Oh, oh. Oh. Clear. I won 385. He wants to see this and then that. Okay. Cool with that. Cool with it. One hour. Let's go regular trading hour. Low. Bottom here. Yo, KP. K Pizzle. We going long or short today? Hey, that's $1 million question. I'll tell you that. Like the new old setup. Nice mic. You like that? Do a little cheap shit off of Amazon, my boy. It's just, what was it, like $40? A little tax write-off too. How you doing? Oh, 925, bro. Something's up with 925, dude. Dude, some days at 925, bro, you just get an absolute ripper. Is that the new hedge fund office? No, it's got a nice little 4K cam. That shit costs, I think, $30 on Amazon. This shit costs fucking $30 on Amazon. Sounds nice. Thanks, buddy. It's like right up my grill too. I try to have it like in different areas, and I'm like, dude, this is better. Like you could see if I transition to this shit. Hold up. If I get this, like you can see it's like all over here. And the angle's kind of nice. I was trying to mess around with the angles a little bit. This one's on top of my mini fridge. Nice. Patty can hear me lovely. And when I first started, Patty was like, yo, dude, I can't hear you. I gotta turn you up all the way. You still sound fucking soft. Fucking douche. All right. Oh, yeah. 5 minutes before the market, people start getting antsy. Dude, yeah, bro. That 525, bro, is nuts. All the time. You sound soft regardless. You're ridiculous. You are ridiculous. What are we looking for here? Hold on. So obviously a massive gap down. I mean, we see it in both sides here. I would love, absolutely love. Also we got NFP week, so it's a little tough. I mean, NFP. We got good news the next 2 days, but the closer you get to NFP, the more messed up it gets. I mean, dude, how do you even get any like daily levels, bro? Like, it's just like so ridiculous. I have so many lines through here because there's so many levels to get, but a lot of big hedge guys just are putting their stop losses under here. Massive pool liquidity all throughout here. So massive gap down. We can get a little fill today. So what I like to see is an opposite move on where I like to see it going for the week. So I ultimately end up seeing it going to what was that, 20,640 for the week, and then after it hits that's my weekly objective. I don't really care where it goes after that. But initially I like an opposite move to happen for the week. It's like a Monday, Tuesday, rip it higher a little bit and then go back down. But if initially we rip it down for the day, I like to see it then come back up into, not even for the day, like in the beginning of the week. If we rip it down towards 21,640 by like Tuesday, then NFP, I think we're going to get back up into this, into the gap. But I would love a scenario where we trade up into the gap and it gives me all that room to then sell into it. So initially on Twitter, I said we're going to sell for the day, like where it is now, but either scenario, really. Let's see what old KP says. Zone we rejected early morning. Those pre-market highs. It's a big zone I had in the beginning of January. If we hold pre-market highs, I'm along. Hell yeah. Yeah. Just a bunch of like if then, if this, then that, if this, then that. Oh, is that old Big Sean? Yo, check out the mic. How nice do I sound right now?
Sound pretty nice.
Oh, dude, my boys on the chat are like, dude, you sound good.
So,
Little $30 mic from Amazon, $30 camera from Amazon over here on the stream. So now you can see me because I have two cameras working, my computer camera and my live stream camera. Shit's hype. Shit is hype. And boys, guess what? When the market's slow, your boy got a blackjack table ready online. We'll be ripping that. Little $2 hands for the boys. Hell yeah. So initially, Big Sean, we could see it go up and then back down for the week, just like the doctor ordered.
sir.
Yes, sir, skis.
I mean,
How about that? How about that
50% level.
Yeah, I know, right? How about that 925? Were you on when you saw that ripper down?
At 9:25 a.m.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't watching. I was doing my journal stuff.
Yep.
Dude, we're kind of just in a fucking fat consolidation right now.
Fat boy consolidation.
That's,
Massive gap down, regular trading hours, obviously. Dude, the 50% of that is basically the 50% of where we opened too.
yeah.
I mean, we're back up to that opening price, so the regular trading hour and electronic trading hour gap are basically the same,
Yep.
which is nice. Let's see what these dock heads want to do. I have this up here for a little SMT action. You got a little higher work on those highs on really everywhere. You got SMT on the lows overnight. You got SMT on the highs here. You got SMT, but that's neither here nor there. Let us find out. Yeah, clean liquidity on the highs if it's not going to be SMT on ES. That one could be the stronger one going up. I might rip a little scalp long.
Yeah, I'm not trading until after news.
Hell yeah. What is that? 5988.75. Let me make a little line here. Let's get back into this little guy. 588.7975. Sorry, right there. If we can get a bounce off this 982, the discount fair value gap from really the discount Nawag. Sorry, not so the low of this gap. That's the low of the gap right here. I like to see the signatures, how we play off that. A little higher prices. If we go to ES, I can see it bounce off this guy before taking out these highs. YM's absolutely parabolic. First presented on the board. Coming back down into it. That could end up being a good setup right there. I can see the reaction here. Let's go down to the, hold on. Let me see what level's that? 82.25. Let's get another 15 second. First presented on NAS too. A nice little ripper. Leaving relative equal highs. Oh. I'm like cold, but like my feet are sweaty and my hands are sweating.
Yeah, I'm freezing too.
That IO fed there, 1 minute ES. See if we can hold that first presented. That'd be a really good long right there. Now, if we can get back up above this, get some nice respect there, straight back up here. Something like this. It'd be worth like a low risk long right there. Let's see. That'd be one. One little order. Take it up to 90. Body just hit the discount level again. Back in the first presented, NASDAQ got some big legs right there.
trying to get in sync long?
Yeah, just for relative equal highs on ES. See how that plays out. Yeah, that's not a bad idea, KP.
Are you in on it?
No, not yet. I want to see this 1 minute get respected because like the discount level on the 1 minute chart on ES, that open, the Nawag open. I mean, you see the bodies on that.
Yeah. Dude, the 15-minute just not seeing some high resistance liquidity on signatures.
Oh, attaboy, Patrick. Little 100 tick. Good shit. Beautiful signature on that 1 minute. Consequent encroachment first presented. A beautiful sig. If we break and retest 82.25, 5982.25, I like a long, but Nas is already going up for those longs. Nas just took it out. That'd be nice. I'm not trying to take a six sister here. I think it's going to go ultimately, but IO fed right there on the 10-second. Yeah, never give a retest back into this broke. Never retested it. Now just ripping. Missed the high by a tick right there. Yeah, now's a nice little long skis. Bam, just got it. Never gave you anything. You just had to trust that first presenter was going to be good. Even that's not bad. Look for a higher price right there on ES. Let's see. I mean, they both took out buy side. Like, if you see it still going higher. Free game now. Hell yeah, KP. Like I said, if it's going to go higher, it's going to go higher from here. Nice little area. I could see it. Little consolidation, take out the one side, wait till it gets below the first presented on ES. Let's see. Big up close, Patrick. You in on that? Big up close on Naz. Not above the MA. Copy that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, regular trading hours, the MA is probably fucking way high. Nice respect to this level right here twice. Let's see if he wants to break through it on ES. What do you think of Big Sean?
I'm just watching. I'm waiting for that scenario to play out. I mean, I think to your point, we're probably gonna drive a little higher. I'm just not interested until we get that Judas at the right time.
Yeah. Take this guy off for now. Back to the old 15-second chart.
You definitely believe in your trading.
Oh yeah. Big thing. Big thing. YM slipping off a little bit here. It's gonna pull these guys down. Like I said, 2022 model ES looks freaking nice.
I know. I'm actually just looking at that.
Mm. First presented again to go higher.
That might be the setup, Tyler. When the time is right.
Could be, if it doesn't want to seek higher prices, like it could want to go up. Keep going up into it. We'll see. We shall see.
Basically like a 2.5 hour trade.
Oh. Yeah. If we got it. 9:45.
Do you trust this or not?
Even NASDAQ is like now the leader to the downside. Or news too. Doesn't want to retest it. I'll do a little last leggy. Maybe on that mid-wick, the first 1 minute candle.
On ES or NQ?
Probably ES. 68.5. Oh yeah, KP. Bottom of the opening range right there. See how that plays. Either one is fine. I mean, you're also hitting back up into that first percentage on NASDAQ. I mean, bam, right there. That'd be the entry on ES. See how that reacts, though. You also got that fair value gap that's in there, consequent encroachment. Wow. Look at that reaction, dude. Fucking beautiful. Absolutely fucking gorgeous. Yeah, data's coming out soon as well. If only it did this after 10. I'd be all over this. Oh, dude, these headphones are fucking me up a little bit. I don't know why it's doing that. I think I should make it a little bit longer. First presented again, the low, the breaker. So what a run. You in?
Yeah.
Nice. I'll wait till the last leg. Take that drop. Hopefully we can get it like at 9 or 10 o'clock. It's a long time for it to stick around here though. Yeah, I mean, that 2022 model framework's all there. Looking at shorts, KP. Just for the consolidation shorts, like we just had it liquidate the high as well as NASDAQ break down. We're looking for these guys to offset the liquidity of people. Breakout artists and stop losses. Now all of them are moving their stop losses after taking out this high up to these lows. Market's going to try to seek that. Where you in at? First presented?
First presented. I already took one off.
Oh, hell yeah. KP said I like it. Couldn't hold those pre-market highs like I wanted to see for long, so could be coming down. Yeah. Definitely want to wait for news. I mean, either way, I mean, the news could help us out. Also have that inversion 5-minute fair value gap.
this before news.
Go. Could double tap into it. I mean, you have the immediate retrade.
I'll just take the dub. Get out of my stop was right around here anyways.
Oh yeah,
I just don't want to be holding this at this time.
I dig it. No, it was a good attempt because then like if the first one didn't go right away, bro. Like
Exactly.
that's beautiful. That was beautiful trade management. You also got a little bit of profit there as well.
Yeah.
That's nice. All right, what do we got here on the 2 minutes and shit? 2 minute fair value. Got 3 minute IO Fed, 4 minute IO Fed.
See, that's what's tough, right? Like,
No, for sure. 100%. You get in early, retrade, retrace, like. %. It's tough. Still see it going down. 1 minute IO Fed here if you can get it again. Get in sync. Right on the 50% of that wick. That level right here. Price shows below it. Should just run. Yeah. Dude, if there wasn't news at 10, bro, we'd be all over this.
yeah, that's such a great setup, dude.
Such a good setup.
I just didn't want to go into too much drawdown.
Hell no, bro. Especially with news coming out.
I could easily just return 'cause
Absolutely. IO Fed right there. 1 minute. 75% wick level. And just beautiful fucking price action. Can't even grab it.
these are really nice right now. I gotta say. We got some big draw on liquidities coming up, man, depending on what we could do here.
That's right.
The ES one delivered literally no drawdown at all.
Yeah. That's nasty. So you want to take out those overnight lows. Literally, I'd be all over this, bro. It's 9:56 with news coming out. Yeah, I would have taken a loss on this one then. Just with that fucking.
Well, the irony is I probably would have held this trade to those further relative equals.
Yeah. Exactly. Bottom of the New Week Open gap. Or sorry, right with trading hour gap. Right there on ES. ES just looks a little bit cleaner. You know?
To the downside? Or just
I mean just the price action.
yeah. I mean, bro,
We'll
zoom
see.
out a sec. Look at the 15, man.
On what, NAS or ES?
Both.
Yeah, I know. So yeah, it ran up, right? Ran up at the open, then
Yep.
took out overnight sell side, ran down, took out all those people that were long initially at the open.
Mm-hmm.
If it wants to run up here, I like it.
Bro, the question is next 4-hour candle, 10 a.m. to 2. Let's see what actually profile makes the most sense of it. 'Cause we'll
Yeah.
probably run the other way, leave SMT at that side, and then continue the rest of it into PM.
Literally a minute before. Dude, this is a great setup on the 15-second. Setup that I'd take. If I can get down below that fair value gap I just created.
Made enough to pay for lunch off that.
I love it. Yeah, I'll stay out either way with the 10 o'clock news coming out. $10. Jürgen Klinsmann. 1 minute here. NASDAQ, SMT on those 1 minute highs.
Just gonna zoom out for this.
Yeah, it's just going to rip those lows when the fucking news comes out.
Yeah, it should.
Newsy. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. How you doing, Lowskis?
There's your SMT.
Yeah, if we can rip higher from it, that'd be fucking sweet.
You could get a nice 2022 model to the highs now.
Yep. There's Bills on the side.
What's that T-Trades thing? He would just enter off that order block. So it's kind of 2020. If
I'm not sure. I haven't looked into his setup at all.
Which looks like it may not right now, which is okay.
Data. KP, Patty Profits, we'll be looking at. What do you guys like here? That whole short right there was nice. Just pre-news, like it's a fucking coin toss. It easily could have ripped up higher, hit my stop loss if I would have put a short on, and then shorted from there. But as soon as it came out, we just got a nice little dump.
You know what, dude? I think we're actually more likely to just sell from here, bro. (2022) model forming on both on the 5.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, I like it. See something happening. Well, something. Little something. And those relative equal highs on ES should get nibbled on, even though Nas ran them out higher. I would like it if we get back up above that, bro. Because that run they had was not high enough.
Yeah, I think we're at basically an inflection point right now. Are we just souping these lows or are we just breaking structure lower?
Inflection point.
Yeah, boy.
Great term.
Thanks, man.
Gun to my head, I like it higher.
I'm open to either idea. It depends how we react.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, I'll get in sync with it either way. If there's bears on the side, he ain't scared of nothing. All packs in the passenger seat. He's gonna work his ass off all week.
We could get above 958 on NASDAQ, I'd be interested. Light of sight, 'cause the world ain't clear to me.
KP, Patty, what are we thinking? At inflection points is a good time to check the sentiment of the live streams.
They're probably bearish, dude.
Some of them have seen it before and they're still in.
And I gotta take a dump.
We don't know that either.
What are
Alright, Ty, here's the question. Have we done enough
What do you mean?
to go higher from here?
I like it. That's why I'm content, because I can just get in the last leg and fucking let it rip. I don't have to know if we're gonna go higher from here or not. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Alright, dude, I got a shit.
If you look at your 1 minute charts, notice how all the previous candles are sharing basically the same, if not the majority of the previous candles range. So it's a lot of back and forth. That's high resistance. That's typical. It's absolutely
These tariffs, man, are messing up the market. It's all about them tariffs. KP. Bounce again here. I'm gonna tease shorts and squeeze though. A little shaky at the moment. Once we get through the buy orders, we're going down. Nice sell candle. Hell yeah. Oh no, KP can't get back those profits. Hell nah, brother. L's to the nah. Oh man. What do we want to do? What is there? What is there to do? Scenario like this could be cool. If we're gonna go up. I'd get into this trade right here. From there to there. Taking out all these short sellers here. If we can get back up into it. I just like the price action on ES a lot more. I think it's cleaner right now. A lot of fuzz going on NASDAQ. Not fuzz, but I'll just have this chart open for ES. Huh. Patrick, you short on that NASDAQ 5-minute? Little shorty, little shorty. It's a regular trading hour low from like way long ago. Oh. All the way over here. Low regular trading hours, massive gap in here. I got a little bit more sell off. I could see it going lower. Five-minute IO Fed on NASDAQ looks kind of good. Yeah, I like it to go lower from here, honestly. Because look, we took out that sell side, retraced, and we took out that low that took out that initial sell side. So like lower prices just make sense.
I just don't know how high probability it is right now.
Oh, it's definitely not. It's high resistance. I mean,
Yeah.
well, I mean, it's probable it's going to hit it, but like, it's also just a long way to get there, or it's going to maybe take a little bit. Look for a stop run. Okay, be on the 15-second. 5-minute IF would be ideal on NAS.
To the Nawag.
Oh, well, you have the regular trading hour low from like last Friday as well,
Yeah.
or last Monday.
Yeah. Yeah. The 97. It's just like it's hard to frame risk around that.
Yeah, get a 5-minute IF Fed, 15-second little breaker or fair value gap, inversion fair value gap, whatever forms.
That level 90. 2190.
Yeah,
80 in there.
21.095.
Yeah. It's not bad. Is your
You know, screenshot that. That's what a
He ain't scared of nothing. I gotta figure out on Streamlabs how to always make the Teams call always on, but then just shut off the rest of my audio from the rest of my computer. Oh, see you, Big Sean.
yeah.
Does Kayla come in the room a lot?
Not really. She's getting ready for work herself.
You got that background set up. You like the backgrounds?
Yeah. I mean, I ain't trying to hide none. Happier?
Nah, man. Yo, hey, 5-minute IO fit right there. Let's see how that plays.
So
Big
please
ripper
do
up.
it. Yeah, bro.
Dude, look at that, bro. Are you kidding me?
That's why you fucking wait. It's crazy.
Oh my god. Imagine all the short sellers right there, bro. They're sick right now. They are absolutely sick. Holy shit.
Yo,
Ripper.
bro, like, how do you?
KP goes, bruh. Bro, that shit sucks.
now that's the snare. So now I'm watching now. If we get back,
KP, that's my worst fear. It's that the order just doesn't work for like a stop loss order. That's fucking wild. Let's try to get in sync with this, huh? That idea worked though in ES right here. Low, high, lower, low, breaker up for these highs right here. Bam. I change over to ES from here. I mean, fuck. Yeah, it's just gonna rip above these highs, bro. I'm not even sure I'm gonna be able to get a fucking order on. 82.25.
Where do you even have your stop? Just right below first presented?
Yeah. But like, definitely not this retrade right back into it immediately.
Fucking taking that shit.
Absolutely not. It needs to show me something. Yeah, KP. Go long after all these assholes. I mean, the retrade, bro. Just this how this market's moving, bro, is fucking nuts right now. Retrade is crazy. Did we just take out that high on ES? Holy shit!
Nuts, dude.
It's actually done. For the markets
Dude, guys,
running.
what's going on, bro?
That's nuts. Yo. Patrick, bro, is this a big enough 5-minute candle for you? Go ahead, Sean.
I mean, you said it.
You're going to go long, Patty.
I don't even know how to go on this.
Nah, KP. Nobody was short there. This is too much of a surprise. I don't play these.
Looking for 21,347 even, 21,385.50. Ideally, it should not return back to 21,250.
What the fuck? You had that 5-minute breaker too from Tuesday's old first presented as well. Take it up to the 50%. I mean, it's just too big of a range, bro. Massive fucking range.
You don't want to have an 80-point stop loss?
Imagine. Be a fucking 50-point stop loss, bro. 200 tick SL. Definitely not doing that in all top step. I won't do it to her. A little seek and destroy day. Phone hater. That's retarded. Retarded. Right there on the 1-minute NASDAQ. Bang. Let's see if we want to get some legs right there. No shot, right? Bruh. It's just way too much, bro.
It really is.
I think it's going to keep flying up. Like I said, like that would have been a good entry down here. I just can't map out a risk for it with my one account.
Yeah, I can't either, man. I think we're gonna run for that 50% level right now.
Oh, yeah. That was retarded. That was actually freaking nuts. I would love it, KP.
What?
He said now if we don't even run to the 50%, it just stays in this range now. That'd be just wild. Just a wild day. I mean, I would just have to frame it on ES. Bottom line.
I mean, bro, that would've took some balls to get in on the 10:23 15-second candle.
Dude, some balls, bro. Yeah, no shot. I'm getting in with this.
Why, you definitely could.
Right there on ES, 15-second IFN. See if it wants it. Looks good. Let's see. Need to rebalance the 1 minute ES. Around the 75 level. Beautiful close, beautiful retest. Right on the 75 level, bro. That's retarded. That shit is retarded.
Apparently Mexico's tariffs delayed for a month as of 5 minutes ago. Time do we jump?
Why would Mexico's tariff be delayed for a month?
Cause it's like a leverage negotiation with the US and Mexico just caved.
I love it. All these fucking third world countries are caving. Is Mexico a third world country? Not a third world, but like what? Like I'm guessing like a second world then, right?
Not what you classify it, but it's a nice place, dude. Like,
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
they have really hardworking people.
What do you want to marry a Mexican?
Fuck, maybe, dude.
My stop loss is raised to 21,298 and a quarter, limiting out at 21,386 and a quarter. My stop loss is raised to 21,298.
Oh. Dude, the dude's nuts.
Who, ICT?
Yeah. That dude. 18. If I can get below that swing low, 15-second, rip back above it. I'd like it.
Run stops right now.
I raised my stop to 21,320.50.
Crazy, bro. Dollar almost gave back its entire
Hmm.
move. Dude, we should just know, like, the sentiment was through the roof bearish last night.
Mm-hmm.
You set the market up in a way to confirm that bearishness, and then you just fucking pull it under them.
Rip it higher initially, get everybody faked out. Rip it lower, and that's the real move. I mean, the timing of that news release that Mexico folded on their tariffs was uncanny.
Dude, that was like that's why I was saying, like, what the fuck just happened? Like, that doesn't.
Banger.
That, friends and neighbors, is how you skin a cat.
ICT, what a nerd. Yeah, ES rip below that regular trading hour low from like a while ago, and then just that's crazy.
I recorded the execution so that way you guys can track it and study it, but you heard me outline what I was looking for.
Joe. So surprised, must I want to buy this clothes? So it makes sense to get off the computer. Rip this shit right back down. Yeah, after it touches that 50% right there. We can rip it back down here. Back down. Little minor sell side. Damn, I wish I would have left a little fair value gap right there. Right back down. All right, cool. I mean, that shit was just wild, bro. I mean, like, fuck. That shit was crazy. Could just stay up here for a little bit. I mean, I'd be taking a short from here. I think this is going to be.
Dude, the
This-
great fractal is what formed at 1021, where you get a closure above like that displacement leg creates a balanced price range. The next wick on the 1 minute, the 1022 wick, that's the long with your stop right below like the 1010 low.
Bro, you're taking that shit?
No, I wouldn't, but I think it's a fucking good setup. In fast moving markets like this.
Yeah, that's just a crazy up close candle that 1 minute, 1021. It's way too insane. Bounty on his cash. Sun's on his radio. Speakers on his dash. 4 buys and 2 buys and 2 you can't touch.
Alright, I'm gonna go brush my fucking teeth and start getting ready.
Them teethers. Hell yeah.
Sir.
As soon as he gets off, just an absolute ripper upper. People trying to short that. Little fade action there. Like I said, like look up Mexico. I'm pretty sure. I don't know, like on Twitter or something. See if Yep, that's right, KP. Yeah, he said something about Mexico backing down. And the tariffs will be pushed back because Mexico is listening to the United States. So that's good for the boys. Good for the boys. That's how it's done. My friends, how it is done. It's true, you can't judge. Yeah, now from here would be a great sell. From to the low of the weeks. Take it all the way down to 20,640. Remember that. Remember I said this. Timestamp it. Clip it. KP. It's true, you can't judge. We like my little where the hell is it? Where do I go? Oh, my little bowl right here. Sitting on the table. That shit's from Peru. Handmade. Sister got it for me for a little gift. Sick. Nice little bowl over there. Flip it. What a market, eh? What a market. Absolutely bonkers, man. Patty P, we take a trade or what? Hell yeah, KP. W Sisters. Can I get the dubs in the chat for the old sisters? Wealth charts, hell yeah. Fucking a rat. We're just messing. We're just having a good time with them. Hell yeah, Patty. See if this guy wants to drop a little bit. Big shot.
Yo, what I miss?
Just an absolute ripper higher again as soon as you got off. And now we're retracing into it and see if it wants to even rip higher from there.
Did you get in?
No. Hell
The
no.
part is this move might already, like realistically, I'd want to see us come down to like 930 high area. Like see a 15-minute 22 model play out.
Oh yeah. There's beers on the side. They ain't scared of nothing. W's for the old cis guy. Little cis piece. Cis piece. Dubs. Welcome, old bye guy. Bye guy in the chat. It's just like straight up. Why is it like leaning that way? Oh, it's like I was checking that out. Oh, W old sis. W sis piece in the chat. I mean, why not? $30 off Amazon skis? It's an old GG's right there. Old GG's. $10.50. I'll get off after the macro here.
Yeah, me too.
Black coffee, negative, brother. Just water. Just that good old H2O. Just that good old. That good old. H2 Easies. 1 minute order block here. 1047. Trading back down into it right now. 15-second breaker. I like to see at least one of them take out this next swing high as well. See it, mean threshold right there. Yeah.
Alright, I'll take a $30 day.
Oh, yeah. Ugh.
Anyways, alright, brother. I'm probably just gonna get off. I might trade PM session and wait to see what we got after, but I'm not really interested in this right now.
Copy that.
But alright, brother. Tomorrow morning?
Yep, always.
Hey, new setup 6, baby. New setup
My guy.
six. Nothing
Appreciate
to it. It's coming together.
Appreciate it, man.
Alright, later, bro.
All right, bro. Hell yeah, we'll stay until like 11:10-ish, 11:15. A little 2-hour sesh. 9:15 to 11:15. Not bad. Not bad at all. Why freaking not? Get that little push higher from right there. That'd be fucking nice. Nice. Still inside this bad boy. Like to reverse from right there. Yeah, your boy, your mic set up, dude. Just realized you were talking to someone. Couldn't hear him at all. Compared to you. Damn. Really? I might have had. I didn't have it muted. That's weird. Because it came out of my computer audio. You couldn't hear him the whole time. Hold on, let's see this little something here. Be great. That'd have been the nice little entry right there. We'll try it. What the fuck, bro? Hell yeah. My boy KP. K Pizzle on it. A book by his covers, but you call country boy by his truck. See a little something here. Now let's take it out yet? Nope. We'll see. Not in a trade here. Just watching. I don't know if I trust it too much. We're just at like the high speeds of it. Oh, dropped on my cards. On my cards. Don't hate it now. Get a little something here. Little limit buy. Nah, I don't like that. Can absolutely go from there, but I wanted to see a little something left open. Now I'd like to see if it's going below. It's a little deep. We'll see. A little higher resistance liquidity run here. Gotta have a big stop loss. A little 1-to-1 action if I'm trying to take a fucking trade. Yep, see? See it going lower from there. Didn't like it. As soon as I made that, bam, that one right there. See where it wants to go from here. Relative equals here. See if she wants to get down for these lows. Big trend line, little phantom trend line there. As well as old Nazi D. We'll see. I mean, it's just working its way up here. That's it right there. Finger was on the trigger. Just wicked into it. So I would use the stop orders, bro. Fucking wicked into it. I was literally about to hit that buy button. That's tough. Comes back down. You can do like half risk. But literally about to hit the buy button right there, bro. Was on it. Wicks it. I'm like, fuck. I'd rather just get that order in. That sucks. That's a miss. Yep, smack TP right there. To the tick. What a smack TP. To the tick. A lot of sell side here. I'd like to see sell side get run. Hell yeah, KP. My boy. Damn, that's unfortunate, bro. I would have fucking hammered that. That was the setup I was looking for. Just moved a little too quick. Gonna get that sell or limit order on. Oh. I like to see it go for these sell stops. To be honest. Like I said, go for the sell stops. There you go. Look at that. Fucking. It would have gave me even a little bit of retracement, bro. I would have fucking taken that. That's retarded. Well, like from up here, I'm like, yo, sell stops. Let me look for a sell. And it's like, nope. I'm already just going to just dump it to it. Because as soon as that breaks open, it's like everybody's moving their stop loss up. As soon as that high's broken, bam, breakout artist. If it doesn't liquidate it far enough, dude, it's just like, what the fuck? I can absolutely keep ripping higher from here as well. We'll play it by ear. I wouldn't like the higher prices. I'd like it to keep selling. You have this liquidity as well. Am I at ES? I mean, it's really this. These tweezer bottoms. Want to call her that? Um... 6002. Not right now, of course. Down over here. Could be a nice little short. I have fed 1 minute. Next fair value gap you can take. Volume bounce right there. Next little fairy. Look at that. Nice tank, bro. Nice tank, bro. Nice tank, my dude. Tweezer Bodskis. Now does it want to come all the way back down? Or it's just gonna fucking rip higher and go for those highs, bro. That'd be gnarly. Takes out that minor sell side, like we noted. Just there. Bang. Great reaction off of it. Just reading the markets. That's all we're doing, just reading them. That's it. That is it. Would like for ES to get a little bit lower, but it don't gotta. Don't gotta. Left a 5-minute fair value gap right there. If anything, I like to go up. I like to take out that swing high now. Great reaction after taking lows. Shit just dump. 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 It'll be like 5-minute, yeah, that little fair value gap right there. We missed it. We also missed a 75 level by a fucking tick. Unless we got it. No, I missed it by literally a tick. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. You see dump. I see pump. Let's see who's right. I mean, not even a dump. I just wanted to see it get back down here. Like, this is a retracement. Could go higher. You know? I mean, it's just a scalp, like from there to there. That's where I saw it going. I just put that line on a little bit ago, like when the price was up here. Saw it going there. Great reaction. Now, honestly, I see it going higher. It's just the fluctuations, right? You can get in sync with anything. Yeah, ultimately a higher time frame. I do think it's going to keep going, keep ripping from here. Hundo Pizzo. Gotcha. For show, for show. Fucking Tobias. I mean, why not, boys? Just why not? You like the pictures over here? Bull. Oh, I gotta go that way. Bull, bull, buffalo. Why not us, boys? Could be good from there. I'd like to see this. This guy broken and retested for sure. See if we can get it. If we could get back down into it without taking out that high, man, that'd be ideal. Ideal scenario. I'll take a little L on this trade. Fuck it. We'll see if we can squeeze back down into this a little bit. Come back down a little bit more. Let me get that buy-in. Come on. Just give me a little bit bigger wick. Stab. Stab. A little bit more. Ooh. I'll buy that. See if we can get a little something, something. $140 risk. I don't hate it. I mean, that's a pretty deep retracement there. To be honest. A little bit deeper than I wanted to see. We'll see. Good reaction. We don't want to see that swing low get broken, honestly. If that swing low gets broken, I think it's just going to fucking dump. All trades are in. Needs to run higher right now. Mitigate my risk a little bit. Needs to hold here. Neither of them took out the swing high yet. Good close right there. 25% up. Let's see. 21.5 right there. Not the worst place in the world. Like I said, should see it run from here. Doesn't want to run, then we will be out sooner than later. We'll see. Like to see the highs run. It's going to be a little high resistance liquidity run here because we already had those highs taken out. So I might give it a little retracement. It's not going to run right away. I'd rather take some off, but I can't with my accounts. When it gets about up this way, 28.5, I'll mitigate my risk by half. I lose like $50 for the day. I'm cool to lose 160 across all accounts, though. I'm cool with it. Just a tiny risk. 160 to make 476. Not bad. Hell yeah. $128.5, I'll move risk half right there. 111 to make. Let's see. Great reaction. Price is looking good right now. Sheesh wants to keep running higher here. Great reaction off of this. Took out sell side. Wants to go back for the buy side. Should run relatively quick from here. You can come back down here as well. I'd rather see it stay above this guy. It's good if it does stay above this line. I'd rather see it not come back down to the entry here. See how it plays off this level. Everything's looking good. YM also is looking good. Like I said, it could take a little bit to run, but we'll sit here. We'll see what's up. Go ahead and mitigate that risk just a little bit more. 73 bucks to make 476 right now. Let's see. Definitely moving that to break even now. 100%. One tick above. Not taking any off. If it just rips up here real quick, I'm probably just going to close all of it. I don't want to give away too much profits here. Could come back down. That's cool. I'm cool with that. This is definitely the leader here. So if it wants to rip higher, it's definitely going to rip. Just watching price. See that high gets smoked. Move it down to this high, honestly. That first high. Rips against it here, it's going to be okay. Definitely could see it. See it happening. Like I said, I don't want to see it get below this. It's a good level right there. Retrade back down into it. It does. I mean, that's where my stop loss is, so fuck it. Yeah, it'd be a big SL to take for the old Apex accounts, I'll tell you that. Such a trailing SL. That stop loss is going to be fucking close. Good run there. Retrade down to this. Definitely don't want to see it get below this swing low now. Should stay above it. Adult enough. I'm just going to get stopped out, but high resist liquidity run here. Rip higher. Babe. I'm babe. Give me an old little ripper. If I could take half off, I would, but definitely can't take half off. Just because of the fucking ass. What was that? Top Step account. Let's see. Just rip higher here. I'm babe. Free trade, free trade. Cover that guy up. Now it should run. And come back down below that. Comes back down into here, I'd probably just close it. Came back down like really below these lows. Should just shoot up from here. Bam. GG's. 413, 436 across how many accounts? GG's, boys. I need like confetti or something like to fall all through here. Nice little scalp right there. Just walked out like a dog. Like I said, I wanted to see that go. I entered there. I mean, look at that fucking take profit as well. I said like that entry right here beginning and then it spiked down. I'm like, all right, cool. Let me see like a bigger candle down. I saw that big candle and I actually entered basically at the bottom of this and then it gave me some positive slippage. So my stop loss could even be a little bit below that. But I mean, minimal draw down there and great take profit. I'd have a runner on right now if I could trade Top Step more than 1 mini. If Top Step would let me just do micros, dude, I would have taken like 80% and let this shit run a little bit. But ES definitely the stronger pair there too, because look, NASDAQ didn't take out that swing high yet. What I was looking for. ES right there. Look at that. Little scalp done for the day. That's what you wait for right there, boys. Like I said, I mean, I was even looking for these. I was going to short this. Take that, then be done for the day. And then we just got over this. And I mean, just beautiful signatures on this. Like I said, I was going to take a little bit. It wasn't just going to rip. Ripped up above here, then had a huge retracement. I was like, all right, like whatever. This is not going to get below this low. Didn't get below that low. We just fucking rip it. So just walking her like a dog. That's basically it. We do like walking dogs. Walking dogs. What is that? I mean, basically 450 across 36 accounts. What is that? Little calculator. Where's that calculator? 450 times 36. I mean, not a bad day. Not a bad day right there. It's all in a day's work. Oh yeah. No, definitely won't make you like rich, but shit, bro, imagine if I had like fucking, I mean shit, even a mil, bro. What's going to make you rich is just trading other people's money, because then you just stack that on top, you charge a fee, and I mean that just makes you stupid rich. But no, this definitely won't make you like absurdly rich. It definitely will get you well off. But I mean, hey, 50 G's is 50 G's in a day, you know? So once you get up to that fucking $1 million mark. So we're going to keep going here. Like I said, I would have left a runner on if Top Step would let me have runners on, but 439 is not a bad day. 450, 300 on some accounts, because I had a market order in, so all of them aren't the same, but it is what it is. We don't get scared, boys. That's how we do it. Follow the rules. Everything will work out. I am getting off. Need to go to the gym. Go to my corporate job because, you know, it's just the best thing in the world. You know what I mean? So, all right. Well, GG's, boys. We will be seeing ya. These 3 steps help me make XYZ amount today on today's 1 minute chart without a large stop loss. Literally, bro. This is where I see you dorks fuck up. Good trading, boys. GG's. Love how we're all profitable. Love it. So, these 3 steps. Yeah, that'd be a fucking solid video. I just need bias, bro. Bias would just be like, yo, the creative's just genius. And then I just execute. That's it. Just execute. Comment short time frame for my blueprint. What a dog. You get that funnel working? Oh, dude. If only. Bing, bong, boom. Bing, blow, boom. That's funny. But, all right, boys. Getting out of here. And look, even that high, bro, look, it didn't even get that high initially. That would have fucking, not scared me, but like, that would make me feel unwell. That's probably my least favorite part about trading is right when it gets there, bro, and it just hits this retracement. Oh, I've been shaking in my boots, buddy. Boots. Like low key, not like high key, but like, it just makes me feel uneasy. And if that reverses on you, it's like, oh. So, all right. GG's, boys. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Peace.